Ihlandla lesibili lokubhebhetheka kwegciwane Kwazulu Natal kubonakala ukunyuka kwesibalo sabahaqekayo ngosuku safika ku5000. Isibalo sababhubhayo safika ku100 ngosuku phakathi kwazibandlela nomasingana. Abaholi bomphakathi nosaziwayo nabo basendanga kulolu bhubhane. Wonke amathemba abeke kugomeleni igciwane. Umhlengikazi uSabsile Blose uthi uyimisele ngokugoma ukuze avikele nabanye.
I'm willing and I'm ready. To me, it's something that I've been waiting for quite a while because I've seen other people and my colleagues actually are succumbing to this virus.
Usanele Nzimande wasinda esethelekile ngesikhathi samaholide kaNcibijane.
2 days after Christmas ngagula and mangiyochecka ngatesta positive for iCovid and ukugula kwangenza angifisi ukuthi kuphinde kubuye and anything engasiza mina ukuthi ngingaphinde ngidlulele sasimo yes ngoyisebenzisa.
Ubonga Nqumalo uthi abantu bangavumela ukudidiswa amampunge athi igciwane liphephetsekiswa i5G.
Ngicabanga ukuthi izifo eziningi ezifikile zinama vaccine sawathatha futhi nakho siyaphila bayaphila abanye abantu so nami ngomunye olindile ovivile ukuthi uma ifika le vaccine ngomunye uzogxuma ibambe ngazandla zombili.
iDenosa esifundazweni ithi ayenemeneze ngongabandakanywa enhlelweni zokusabalalisa umgomo kubantu.
But what was disturbing in that program was that organized labor was excluded, being a serious stakeholder in dealing with the issue of vaccination. As you will recall that the vaccine will prioritize the healthcare workers who are our members. So we felt that from the beginning we should have been involved in having our inputs in how the rollout program is going to unfold.
iNyunyana ithi isijube ithimba elizoqapha lolu hlelo lokugoma kwabantu esifundazweni. Bungani Gema indaba ze SABC eThekwini.